Hello everybody, welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy. In this video, I want to show you some stuff that I got recently. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing is this broken old Gateway Windows XP laptop, as you can tell by a sticker, with an AMD Turon 64. I'm not sure what model this is, but to be honest, I don't care because this is completely destroyed. But this is my dad's old laptop that I used up until 2008. The reason why it's hinges like this is because my dad used to pick up laptops by a screen at that point, which is not a good for a computer, so consequently it broke. But this actually does turn on to Windows XP. However, the problem is that it refuses to load beyond the desktop screen, which has a picture of my mom on it. So as a result, I cannot show it working, but it does work. The next up in terms of stuff I got is this Sony Ericsson W350 user guide, which is to one of my parents' old phones. It works just fine. Or this is a manual, it doesn't work. It obviously works just fine, but yeah. And then I have the Lenovo IdeaPad S10 user guide, which if I take it out of the bag right here, as you can tell, it's a setup poster and whatnot, which is actually pretty cool. This is what it does, and this actually goes to my mom's old netbook, which is now my netbook, which I've had for a few years now. I've had this laptop for about 10. I've had this laptop for over 10 years now, but this works just fine. But this is now the manual to it, which is pretty cool. This is just the user guide. It explains everything about it. So that's pretty cool. All right, and so the next thing I got is this AT&T Quick Start Guide for the service, which is actually old. It's pretty cool to have one of these, honestly. I don't know how rare these are, but this is cool nonetheless. And then the next manual I have right here is this Sanyo manual, which is for a Sanyo TV that I actually had back. That was actually out in my playroom around 10 years ago, around that time, and it works just, well, this is a manual, and unfortunately I no longer own the TV because my family threw that out at least, I think around 5 years ago, but it still works just fine. Well, but I still have the manual too, which is pretty cool. I also got the manuals to my mom's old Sony Vaio laptop, and this includes a Google Play offer code, which unfortunately expired on July 15th, 2014. Oh man, that's too bad. So this also includes a recovery, backup, and troubleshooting guide, a quick start guide, and a getting started manual. And with this PC Essentials disc, which is pretty cool. Then my last set of manuals are actually these Canon PowerShot A5990 camera user guides, which is just, and for the printers, which is a whole set of these. Which I guess is for my one of our family's cameras. In fact, I'm gonna go check something. Check and see if this is possibly for this old camera that I have, but it's not, so yeah. But that is all for this video in terms of new stuff I got, but that I can actually show you. But another news, my iOS 8 iPhone 6 I ordered a week ago. The seller hasn't actually shipped it yet, but he says that hadn't shipped it yet as of yesterday, even though I ordered it a week ago. But the seller has finally shipped it today, so it should be coming in a few days, and please expect an unboxing video of that. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Family, and peace out.